So with that, we have come to an end of group one, and we'll move on to group two, starting with Mukunda Sai. Sai, you're already there. I can see you in. Yes. Hi, Sai.
Hi.
Are you nervous?
No.
Okay. So can we see your smile?
Yeah, okay.
All right. So you're able to hear me loud?
Yeah, clearly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you need to wait for judges. Judges will guide you through the rounds of the day. And
Okay.
being grand finale, you'll be having 4 rounds today.
Yeah, okay.
Over to judges.
Sorry, what?
Over to judges. They will guide you further.
Thank you.
Hello, Mukunda Sai.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
All set? Good luck. Now you can
Thank you.
you can choose one of the songs from your list. One
I'm not able
song
to hear
in your
you
choice.
clearly, ma'am.
One song from the choice you have submitted. Can you listen to me?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
one Pallavi and just Pallavi and one Charanam alone.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Mm. ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿಡವ ಬವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿಡವ ಬವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿಡವ ಬವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿಡವ ಬವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿಡವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿಡವ ಸುರರೋಳು ಸೇರಿಡವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿಡವ ಸುರರೋಳು ಸೇರಿಡವ ತಂಬುರಿ ಮೀಟಿಡವ ಬವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಡವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಡವ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಡವ ಕಳರದಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಡವ 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 ಗಾನವ ಪಾಡಿಡವ ಗಾನವ ಪಾಡಿಡವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿಡವ ಬವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ.
Okay, can you just spell out can you just read out the lyrics?
Sorry, ma'am?
Rajkumar will tell you the...
என்ன பண்ணீங்க நீங்கள் தம்பூரி மீட்டி இடவாவா மீட்டி ததா மீட்டி தவா தாளவ தட்டி தவா அது தட்டிடவாங்கிறது தமிழ்.
ஓகே.
தட்டிடுத்துமான்ட்டு தட்டி தவான்னா த ஒன் ஹூ பிளேட் ஆன் தி தாளம்னு அர்த்தம். எல்லாமே தா கலரதய மெட்டி தவா. ஓகே.
ನೋಡಿದವ ಓಡಿದವ.
So you please correct all that, and your next song will be Narayanayanamo. Charanam mattum paadnam ko. Just Charanam will do.
Director?
Yeah.
Okay. Varijalochana Vasudevaya Varijalochana Vasudevaya Varijalochana Vasudevaya வரமுனி பாரிஜாதாய வரமுனி பாரிஜாதாய வரமுனி பாரிஜாதாய வரமுனி பாரிஜாதாய கருணாகர பக்த காருண்யசாராய கருணாகர பக்த காருண்யசாராய கருணாகர பக்த காருண்யசாராய கருணாகர பக்த காருண்யசாராய நாராயண தீர்த்த நாராயண தீர்த்தநாத சரணாப்ஜய நாராயண தீர்த்தநாத சரணாப்ஜய ரிக பத பத சரிக பகப கரி சனி தரி சரி ரிக கப பத தனி சனி த பகரி கப ரிக ப தனி ச ரிக ரி சனி த கரி நீ த கரி த பகரி ச நாராயணாய மாதய வய நாராயணாய நமோ மாதவய.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. நீங்கள் முதல்ல பாடினீங்க இல்லையா தம்பூரி, அது வந்து கரெக்ட் பண்ணி பாட முடியுமா? பல்லவி மட்டும் பாடுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ ತಾಳವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರರೋಳು ಸೇರಿಡವ ತಂಬುರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿಡವ.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You are repeating the same mistake. Now after you go home, please listen to the original and correct the lyrics accordingly. And now over to Devi. She will sing a few lines. You have to repeat it. Thank you.
Hi Mukunda Sai.
Hi.
Hi. What's your comfortable Shruti?
Now I'm singing at C sharp.
C sharp. Are you okay with C?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. C sharp. சுட்டும் விழிச்சூடர்தான். Okay, so the round goes like this, Mukunda Sai. I'll be singing one or two lines. You have to repeat what I sing.
Okay.
Okay? சுட்டும் விழி
சுட்டும் விழி
சூடர்தான்.
சூடர்தான்
சுட்டும் விழி சூடர்தான் கண்ணம்மா.
சுட்டும் விழி சூடர்தான் கண்ணம்மா.
சூரிய சந்திரரோ
சூரிய சந்திரலோ
சுட்டும் விழி சூடர்தான் கண்ணம்மா. சூரிய சந்திரரோ
சுற்றும் விழி சூடர்தான் கண்ணம்மா.
சூரிய சந்திரரோ
சூரிய சந்திரலோ
வட்டக்கரிய விழி
பட்டக்கரிய விழி
கண்ணம்மா.
கண்ணம்மா
வானக்கருமை கொல்லோ
வானக்கருபி
வானக்கருமை கொல்லோ
வானக்கருமைக்குள்வோ.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Mukunda.
Thank you so much. So you completed all your 4 rounds, and now you can go back to your waiting room, and we'll intimate you when you have to get back in.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, judges. So that was Mukunda Sai, and I'll move on to our second participant in group 2, that is Shankari. Shankari, you're in. Yes, Shankari is connecting. Shankari, can you hear me? Can you please come on video? Hi, Shankari.
Namaste, hi.
Namaste. So, Shankari, you're able to hear me loud and clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll pass on to our judges. They will guide you further for your next rounds. All the best.
Hello, Shankari. Are you able to hear me?
Namaste.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
What song are you going to sing? If it's your choice.
I was thinking maybe Tunga Tira.
Okay.
Tunga Tira Virajan.
Okay. Sing the Pallavi and then the Charanam.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And if there are many Sangatis, don't repeat them.
Okay.
Just we want to listen to your voice, the way you present. Just the Pallavi and one stanza.
Tunga Tira Virajam Bhajamana Raghavendra Yatirajam Bhajamana Tunga Tira Virajam Bhajamana Raghavendra Yatirajam Bhajamana Tunga Tira Virajam Bhajamana Raghavendra Yatirajam Karadrita Danda Kamandalomalam Karadrita Danda Kamandalomalam Suruchira Chelam Dhritamani Malam Suruchira Chelam Dhritamani Malam Nirupama Sundara Kaya Sushilam Nirupama Sundara Kaya Sushilam Bhaja Kamalesham Bhuja Nitya Sevitam Bhaja Kamalesham Bhuja Nitya Sevitam Raghavendra Yatirajam Bhajamana Tunga Tira Virajam Bhajamana Raghavendra Yatirajam.
Thank you. Please sing Govinda Ninna.
Yeah.
Start with Charanam and then the Pallavi. One Charanam and Pallavi. Okay? Yeah, first Charanam, then Pallavi.
Okay. Shrishti Sthiti Laya Karana Govinda E Parimahimaya Tirurananda Shrishti Sthiti Laya Karana Govinda E Parimahimaya Tirurananda Mangala Mahima Shri Purandara Vitalana Mangala Mahima Shri Purandara Vitalana Hingade Dasara Surananda मङ्गलमहिम श्री पुरन्दरा विठलना हिङ्गदे दासर सद्गुणानन्द गोविन्द निन्न नामवे चन्द्र गोविन्द निन्न नामवे चन्द्र गोविन्द निन्न नामवे चन्द्र गोविन्द निन्न नामवे चन्द्र.
Looks that your lower range is a bit difficult for you to sing. That's all right. Can you sing that Mangala Mahimana Purandara Vitala in a nice way, in a nicer way than what you sang? You understand what I mean? The words should be clear and through your voice and give some dynamics and sing.
मङ्गलमहिम श्री पुरन्दरा विठलना मङ्गलम.
Okay. Thanks. Oh, Devi.
Hi, Shankari.
Hi, namaste.
Hi, namaste. Shankari, this round is your learning capacity. So I'll sing 1 or 2 lines and you have to repeat it. Listen to it carefully and repeat it. Okay? Yeah, good luck. What's your comfortable Shruti? G or G sharp?
G.
G. तुझे नाम माझा मुखी असुदेव नवितो.
Sorry, can you repeat that first bit, please?
नवितो ते नाम माझा मुखी असुदेव नवितो राघवा दासा
It's cutting a little bit.
Thank you, Shankari.
Thank you, Shankari.
Thank
so
you.
much. I'm sure you would have loved this experience.
Yeah,
today.
definitely. Yeah.
All right. So it's time for you to now go back to your waiting room. We'll let you in and we'll intimate you when you have to come back again.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So now we'll move on to our third participant in group 2, that is Ranjani Yadav. Hi, Ranjani.
Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Clear, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll pass on the control to our judges. Today you'll be having 4 rounds, being the grand finale. So
Okay.
judges will guide you through. All right?
Yeah.
All the best.
Yeah, thank you.
Namaste, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Can you sing any one song of your choice, just the Pallavi and one Charanam?
Okay. Yeah. I will be singing Namo Parvati Patinutta Janapara, the last one, composed by Sri Vyasa Raja. पतिनुत जनपर नमो विरूपाक्ष नमो पार्वती पतिनुत जनपर नमो विरूपाक्ष रमा रमणन अमर भकुति कोडो नमो विशालाक्ष नमो पार्वती पतिनुत जनपर नमो विरूपाक्ष मृत्युंजय निनुत्तम पदयुग भृत्यनु सर्वत्र हत्तिर करिदु अपत्यनंते पोरेयुत्तिरो त्रिनेत्र मृत्युंजय निनुत्तम पदयुग भृत्यनु सर्वत्र हत्तिर करिदु अपत्यनंते पोरेयुत्तिरो त्रिनेत्र तेत्तिगनंते कायुत्ति है बाणन सत्यदि सुचरित्र तेत्तिगनंते कायुत्ति है बाणन सत्यदि सुचरित्र कर्त्रोडुपि सर्वोत्तम कृष्णन पौत्र कृपा पात्र कर्त्रोडुपि सर्वोत्तम कृष्णन पौत्र कृपा पात्र नमो पार्वती पतिनुत जनपर नमो विरूपाक्ष रमा रमणन अमल भकुति कोडो नमो विशालाक्ष नमो पार्वती पतिनुत जनपर नमो विरूपाक्ष नमो नमो विरूपाक्ष नमो नमो विरूपाक्ष.
Very nice. Thank you. Now can you sing Pallavi and one charanam of Ramabhadra Rara?
Okay.
Any one charanam. And if there are multiple sangatis, you don't have to repeat. You can just sing one.
Yeah. Okay. रामभद्र रा श्री रामचंद्र रा रामभद्र रा श्री रामचंद्र रा तामरसलोचन सीता समेत रा तामरसलोचन सीता समेत रा रामभद्र रा श्री रामचंद्र रा तामरसलोचन सीता समेत रा तामरसलोचन सीता समेत रा समगान लोलन चकनय रा समगान लोलन चकनय रा समगान लोलन चकनय रा रामदासुने लीन भद्राचलेश्वर रामदासुने लीन भद्राचलेश्वर रामभद्र रा श्री रामचंद्र रा तामरसलोचन सीता समेत रा रामभद्र रा.
Very nice. Thank you. You know something about Bhadrachal Ramadasa, his life?
Yeah, little bit.
Little bit?
Little bit I know about him.
What do you know? Something can you tell?
He was a devotee of Rama, and he has composed many kritis on Rama, and he used to stay in Bhadrachala. That much I know, but more on him I don't know.
Okay, he was actually the revenue minister in that kingdom, where the king was a Muslim king, and he used government funds to rebuild and renovate a Rama temple. So, but somebody told the king that he had misappropriated the funds, and the king put him in jail for like 15 years, and he got him beaten up also. So then the story goes that Rama and Lakshmana appeared before the king and said, how much money does this man owe you? And they paid him off. They paid off his debt and got him released from jail. Which is why there are so many Tyagaraja Kritis, so many composers lived before Tyagaraja. But Ramadasa is one name he mentions in many of his compositions. Kshira Sagara Sayana, for example, Dhirudau Ramadasuni Bantha. So he mentions Ramadasa. So when you sing, so he was always, just like Tyagaraja, he had different feelings to it. Sometimes he'll be crying to Rama, sometimes he'll be full of love, sometimes he'll be angry, sometimes he'll be complaining. So Ramabhadra Rara means he's calling very sweetly. So when you sing the Pallavi, you keep that in mind. One man who's actually lovingly calling Ra means come. So one song in Ananda Bhairavi, Sangati 1, Sangati 2, your teacher teaches you, just belt it out. That becomes mechanical. But and even the name of the raga, Ananda Bhairavi, it's such a beautiful name. So with that sweetness of calling him, just the Pallavi, can you sing once more? Maybe you can reduce the speed little bit. Just the Pallavi. You keep this feel. We're not talking about the technical things, just the feel, the emotion. That's why I told you a story.
Ramabhadra Rara Shri Ramachandra Rara 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 Kamarasalochana Sita Samita Rara Kamarasalochana Sita Samita Rara Ramabhadra Rara.
Okay, thank you very much.
Was it okay or?
Now, it's nice. But now you are not done yet. You have one more surprise round waiting for you.
Okay.
Big surprise is coming.
Okay.
Hi Ranjini.
Hello.
Hi. Okay Ranjini, I'll be singing one or two lines of a song and then I want you to repeat it. Depending on how you are able to grasp it and learn it, they'll give you marks. Ready? What's your convenient Shruti, G or G sharp?
G sharp.
Okay.
G or G sharp, anything is okay.
Rajivaksha
That's what I should repeat.
Yes.
Okay. Rajivaksha Varo Krishna Rajivaksha Baro Krishna Rajivaksha Baro Krishna Radharamana Baro Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranjini.
Thank you.
You're done with all your 4 rounds now. And how is it? How was your experience?
it is an honor actually to sing in front of, such great musicians. I never thought I would be, given such a platform to sing.
So,
And yeah, I'm blessed. I can just say that I'm blessed. Yeah.
so thank you so much. Now you can move back to your waiting room, and we'll intimate you when you need to come back again.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Namaskaram.
Now, we have two more. So we have Dashrathi Das, right? Hi, Das.
Namaskaram. Hi.
Namaskaram. Are you able to hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Your voice, can you come little more, bring the microphone a little more closer? Yeah.
Is it better now?
It is better now. All right. Thank you.
Hello,
All the
Das.
best.
Thank you.
Hello, Das. Good evening. From the choice you have given, you can sing one song of your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you
I'm going to sing Ramam Bhaje.
Okay. Sing only the Pallavi and Charanam, okay?
Okay. Ramam Bhaje Shyamam Manasa, Ramam Bhaje Shyamam Vachasa, Ramam Bhaje Shyamam Manasa, Ramam Bhaje Shyamam Vachasa. सर्ववेद सारभूतं सर्वभूत हेतुनादं रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वचसा विभीषण आञ्जनेय पूजित चरणं वसिष्ठादि मुनिगण वेदित हृदयं विभीषण आञ्जनेय पूजित चरणं वसिष्ठादि मुनिगण वेदित हृदयं वशीकृत माया कारितवेशं एतं सुरेशं सर्वेशं वशीकृत माया कारितवेशं एतं सुरेशं सर्वेशं रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वचसा रामं भजे.
Okay. Thank you. Now can you sing Jo Achyutananda?
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Again one Charanam and Pallavi.
Okay.
Go
ma'am.
to the Charanam and then finish off with the Pallavi.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Sing the Charanam and then
Okay. Finish with the Pallavi.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
ನಂತು ನಿಂತನು ಚೇರಿ ನಯಮು ಮೀರಂಗ ನಂತು ನಿಂತನು ಚೇರಿ ನಯಮು ಮೀರಂಗ చంద్రవదనలు నీకు సేవ సేయంగ నంతు నింతను చేరి నయము మీరంగా చంద్రవదనలు నీకు సేవ చేయంగా అందముగవారింట్ల ఆడుసుండంగా అందముగవారింట్ల ఆడుసుండంగా అందముగవారింట్ల ఆడుసుండంగా మందల కుదుంగ ముదురంగా మందల కుదుంగ ముదురంగా జో అచ్యుతానంద జో జో ముకుంద रावे परमानंद राम गोविंद जो अच्युतानंद जो जो मुकुंद जो 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 जो
Okay, thank you. Do you know that this song is a lullaby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give more subtle expression? We should
Okay,
be
ma'am.
able to go to sleep.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do
Not
it. ma'am.
literally, but that feel we should get. Can you
Okay, ma'am.
give those finer touches with the more lyrical clarity? Please try just the Pallavi.
Just the Pallavi, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay. जो अच्युतानंद जो जो मुकुंद रावे परमानंद राम गोविंद जो अच्युतानंद जो जो मुकुंद जो जो जो
Okay, thank you. There's one more surprise round. Our Devi
ma'am.
will sing a few lines. You have to repeat it. Listen to her carefully and repeat it.
Sure,
Over
ma'am,
to
sure.
Devi.
Hi, Dasarathi Vardarajan. Can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
So I'm going to sing one or two lines and you need to repeat it and the judges will give you marks for that, okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. What's your comfortable Shruti? D?
Yeah. D.
Yeah. Is it okay that can you sing in
One
C?
second. Yeah, I made it to D because Jiva Chidananda is a low pitch song.
Okay, okay.
My
So what-
accent
otherwise-
C sharp.
C sharp. Can I sing in C?
Yes, ma'am, you can sing in C.
Yes.
Yeah, one second.
எத்தனை கோடி
எத்தனை கோடி
எத்தனை கோடி
எத்தனை கோடி
இன்பம்
இன்பம்
வைத்தாய்
வைத்தாய் புகழ்
எத்தனை கோடி
எத்தனை கோடி
இன்பம் வைத்தாய்
இன்பம் வைத்தாய்
எங்கள்
எங்கள்
இறைவா
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 Thank you so much, Das.
Thank you.
So you completed all your 4 rounds for the day. And
Sure.
now you can go back to your waiting room and we'll let you know when you have to come back.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now we'll move on to our last participant, the last contestant, that is Vishalakshi. Vishalakshi, you can see you are there. Hi.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram. You're able to hear me clearly?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So today you'll be having 4 rounds, being a grand finale, and judges will guide you through it. Okay?
Okay.
All the very best, Vishalakshi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Namaskaram.
Yeah,
sir.
Namaskaram. What song would you like to sing if it were your choice?
இது பாரதியாரோட நின்ன இச்சார நடைந்தேன் கண்ணா சார்.
அப்போ வந்து நேச்சர் நடந்தேன். அப்புறம் ஒரு பல்லவி, ஒரு ஸ்டான்ஸா மாத்திரம், ஏதாவது ஒரு ஸ்டான்ஸா, ஏதாவது ஒரு ஸ்டான்ஸா பாடினா போகிறோம்.
சரி சார்.
பல்லவி ஒரு சரணம். ஓகே
ஓகே.
எஸ்.
நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன், நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன். பொன்னை உயர்வை புகழை விரும்பிடும் என்னை கவலைகள் தின்னத்தகாதென்று நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன். தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது தீர்ந்திங்கு நின் செயல் செய்து நிறைவு பெறும் வண்ணம் நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன். துன்பமினி இல்லை, சோர்வில்லை, சோர்வில்லை, தோற்பில்லை, நல்லது தீயது நாம் அறியோம், நாம் அறியோம், நாம் அறியோம். அன்பு நெறியில் அறங்கள் வளர்த்திட நல்லது நாட்டுக, தீமையை ஓட்டுக, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன், நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன்.
ஓகேம்மா, வந்து 2 விஷயம் அவங்ககிட்ட கேட்கணும்.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
இந்த நீங்கள் பாடின ஸ்டான்ஸா இருக்கு இல்லையா, தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது, அதனுடைய மீனிங் உங்களுக்கு நிஜமாலே உள்ள வாங்கிக்கிறல? அதை
தன் செயல்னா என்னோட ஓன் இன்டர்பிரிட்டேஷன் நான் சொல்றேன் சார். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அளவுல தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது தீர்ந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, என்னோட சுகபோகம், என்னோட மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் வேல்யூஸ், என்னோட லைஃப்னு ஒரு சின்ன வட்டத்துக்குள்ள என்ன நான் அடைச்சுக்காம உன்னோட பக்தியிலையும் உன்னோட ஸ்பிரிச்சுவாலிட்டிலையும் நான் வரதுக்கு மோர் ஆஃப் ஐ திங்க் டிட்டாச்மெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் த மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் வேர்ல்ட் அண்ட் மூவிங் இன் டு த பக்தி பார்ட் ஆஃப் இட்னு அவர் சொல்றாருன்னு நான் என்னோட இன்டர்பிரிட்டேஷன் நினைக்கிறேன்.
நீங்க பார்ட்லி ரைட். அதாவது இது வந்து நீங்க செய்யறதெல்லாம் நாம் தான் நினச்சுண்டு, தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பு நான் தான் பண்ணினேன், இதெல்லாம் என்னோட செயல் நினச்சத. ஸோ அந்த நீங்கள் பாடும்போது அந்த தவிப்பு தெரிய முடியுமா கொஞ்சம்?
எஸ் சார்.
புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு நான் கேட்குறது?
புரியுது, நல்லா புரியுது சார்.
இப்போ நீங்கள் இதை படித்து எழுச்சோங்களேன், தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது இல்லையா, தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது இல்லாமல் தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது தீர்ந்துங்கு நின் செயல் செய்து நிறைவு பெறும் வனம். அப்புறம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் நீங்கள் தாளம் நீங்கள் என்னால் கணிக்க முடியல, நீங்கள் இந்த தாளம் போட்டுன்னு பாட முடியுமா இந்த மாதிரி?
ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார்.
அந்த தன் செயல் எண்ணி மாத்திரம் பாடுங்க, அந்த வரி மாத்திரம் பாடினா போகிறோம், தாளத்தை போட்டுன்னு பாடி காட்டுங்க கொஞ்சம்.
தன் செயல் எண்ணி தவிப்பது தீர்ந்திங்கு நின் செயல் செய்து நிறைவு பெறும் வண்ணம் நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன் கண்ணம்மா, நின்னை சரணடைந்தேன்.
தேங்க்ஸ்மா, போகிறோம். தேங்க்யூ. ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ அந்த பாட்டை ஒரு சரணம் பல்லவி.
ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ಯಮನೇ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು ಸಂದೇಹ ಬೇಡ, ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ಯಮನೇ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು ಸಂದೇಹ ಬೇಡ. ನಂಬಿದ ವಿಭೀಷಣಗೆ ರಾಮನಾದ, ನಂಬಿದ ವಿಭೀಷಣಗೆ ರಾಮನಾದ, ನಂಬದಿದ್ದ ರಾವಣಗೆ ಯಮನಾದ, ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ನಂಬಿದ ಅರ್ಜುನಗೆ ಮಿತ್ರನಾದ, ನಂಬದಿದ್ದ ದುರ್ಯೋಧನಗೆ ಶತ್ರುವಾದ, ನಂಬಿದ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನಿಗೆ ಹರಿಯಾದ, ನಂಬದಿದ್ದ ಹಿರಣ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹರಿಯಾದ, ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ಯಮನೇ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು ಸಂದೇಹ ಬೇಡ, ಯಮನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ.
Okay, Maipu, Devi வந்து உங்களுக்கு. Over to Devi now. She has something for you.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Vishalakshi.
Hello, Akka.
Hi. What's your comfortable Shruti?
ரொம்ப ஹை பிச்சா இருந்ததுன்னா ஐ சிங் இன் 4.5. ஏன்னா இப்ப இங்க டெல்லி விண்டர்ல சம்டைம்ஸ் ஐ ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறது அப்படின்னு 5 இல்ல 5.5 வந்து பஜனுக்குலாம் 5.5.
Good. Okay, so this round goes like this. You have to listen to me carefully. Try to repeat what I sing and they'll judge you on that.
Yes, Akka.
Your ability to sing.
Yes, Akka.
अकरुण आए,
करुण आए,
अकरूर तुम्हें,
अकरूर तुम्हें,
अकरुण आए,
अकरुण आए,
अकरूर तुम्हें,
अकरूर तुम्हें,
पल के
पल के
साथ,
हाथ,
पल के साथ,
पल के साथ,
कल ले जाए,
कल ले जाए.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishalakshi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vishalakshi. So you completed your 4 rounds for the day. I hope you had a great time singing and we absolutely loved listening to you. So we'll, with you, we have completed all the participants. And now you can just quickly go back to waiting room and you all will be admitted soon.
Yes,
okay? Yeah, we'll let you in soon.
Thank you very much.
Hi, judges. So Anu's collecting the score sheet as we are calculating the marks and arriving at the winners. I thought it would be a good time now to get to know from Guruji, from our judges, how this entire journey of Namnavratri has been so far. So,
Mute. We are not able to listen to you, Ambli.
Okay. I've been speaking on mute. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, okay.
Can you hear now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
I hope I'm audible now. Okay, so as we are calculating the scores and finding out who's the winner for the, your respective groups, I thought it's a good time to interact with our judges, with our Guruji, and would really love to hear from you all your thoughts about this whole journey of Navratri. Maybe we can start with Guruji. If you can speak your thoughts, like, anything that you want to share about this whole journey. Experience with
Yes.
Navratri.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes,
Thank
Lata
you,
ma'am.
Ambli. It has been a very enriching experience as far as I am concerned. The very title of this particular series, Navratri, is very, very close to my heart, and it attracted my creative thoughts actually. And it's been a great honor for having been associated with this great musical journey, and to share a dais with Guruji is, I consider, my greatest honor, and I thank you so much, Guruji and Emma, for giving me this opportunity, and meeting all veteran musicians like Rajkumar Bharti and Barmaji, Devi, and I've been associated with Emma for quite some time, and especially during this pandemic, it was really enriching, and I was sometimes even amazed at the talents that we came across. But those who have not been coming up to the top, you needn't feel discouraged, because everybody cannot come to the first place, right? So what you can do is to improve upon your talents. And what I personally felt, I think most of my fellow judges also would have felt the same. You singers, though you sing well, you have to improve your expression. I think most of you, we are trying to tell you to give more expression, more subtleties to these sangatis. And please don't select heavy kirtanas type of songs, because this is a devotional music, right? So bhajans are welcome, and more so in bhajans, expressions. And first, please try to understand the meaning of the lyrics, so that once you understand the lyrics, automatically your expression will flow. Okay? So all the best to all, and once more I thank Emma for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lata ma'am.
Namaste to everyone. Like what Lataji said, it's an honor. I consider it an honor to be seated by the side of my esteemed Guru, Tivaji sir. that I sit by his side, and I have sat beside him and sang with him in many of his concerts, and I learned so much. And the one main thing I would like to tell you is, Tivaji sir always emphasizes the importance of aesthetics. Aesthetic sense in singing. The way you sit, the way you present yourself, your posture, and then your body language, the way you enunciate, the way you pronounce the vowels, the consonants, whatever it is, and how you carry yourself while you do that, and how you are able to imbibe the meaning of the song. So you have to go into the song. When you sing the song, you have to go into the song. There's something called dynamics, which is very prevalent in Western singing, because they will tell you what to sing, where to emphasize, accent, acceleration, or diminuendo, crescendo, whatever it is. It's applicable to all sorts of music. Because, for instance, Tivaji sir always tell us, There's a dynamics there. The volume slightly goes up. There's a small vibrato wherever needed. And the way you pronounce the one, Rama, Rama, he has always chided us for doing so. Rama, Nama, that is Nama, Rama, Nama. So the way you sing a song, the pronunciation and the beauty of that letter, of that word, everything has to go into the song. Of course, it's a long journey. It's a big process. But at least, I think from now on, you should try to look into those aspects. It is not mere rendition, as Varmaji says, just Ramachandra ra 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 Ruvira ra ra. That's not the only thing. It is needed, but there is something called the total aesthetical content. All these things have to be looked into. Of course, Sir will speak more on that. So whatever I have learned from him, I'm just trying to share it with you. Please look into all these aspects and try to improve yourself. You all presented a good show. Of course, you don't stop here. From here, you have to move on and on. My best wishes and my thanks to Aima and my fellow judges and my dear Devi, Vicky, everyone, for having given me this opportunity to be with you this evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharti sir.
Namaste everyone and congratulations for all of you. Like the other two judges said, it's always a pleasure just to sit with TVG sir. I am from Trivandrum in Kerala and I was in Chennai 2 days ago. I had a concert in Kerala yesterday. So then when Devi ji said the judges are going to be physically present and not online like in the previous rounds, I said, I'm just in Madras and I'm going to Kerala. Again, I have to come back to Madras. So it was physically strenuous because yesterday I had a concert also. So number one, I'm so happy I came. So to meet TVG sir and all the others and to have heard all of you sing, I'm very, very happy I came. Then as far as the music goes, normally, not only music, in anything, when we are small children, we start learning something and we are at a certain level. Then we grow up, we become bigger. So the phrase is bigger and better. Oh. So when we grow older, elders and betters also is there. So as we get older and older, we are supposed to get better and better. But generally hearing all of you, as an old guy myself, I'm saying, the small children have excelled, generally speaking, more than the older people. So we have heart and we have mind, we have brain. So just because the brain develops, that doesn't mean that you have to lose the beauty of the heart. No? All these composers, whether it's Mirabai or Tyagaraja or Bhadrachala Ramadasa, they all sang. They might have been very good technically also, but they sang from the heart to express their emotions. So that connect, just because you get accomplished in Carnatic or Hindustani system and you can sing a taan or a briga very fast, or sing a difficult pallavi where you take after one beat after the first finger, that is a technical prowess. But in this kind of competition, we are not focusing only on technical. It's of course nice to be perfect, but the feel, when you just hear somebody is just singing Sita Kalyana Vaibhog mein, we might be more moved than all the fast taans that you have sung. Then even the technical thing, that is for the small children especially, we have two things, speed and clarity. So when we have speed and clarity together, it is very nice. But if you have only one, then definitely go for clarity first. Then speed can come later. But many of you, in the enthusiasm to sing, you are singing very fast, but some phrases are getting kind of sprayed, not clear. So that you can, if you learn an instrument, of course it will help a lot for anybody. So TVG sir, he's a multi-instrumentalist, and that shows in whatever he does. And speaking about brain versus heart, now TVG sir is in his 80s. Just yesterday, he has given a concert in Chennai. It's there available online. The channel is RK, A-R-K-A-Y. If you just search for A-R-K-A-Y Ramakrishnan, R.K. Ramakrishnan, this Madhuradhvani, that concert will come. Just see, he has been performing on stage for more than 70 years. And still the enthusiasm, the freshness, the vitality, the energy, the joy, the self-enjoyment, the sharing, it's so fresh, it never gets jaded. And it is sad that that is an exception. That should be the rule for each of us. All of us should be like that. But unfortunately, something happens and people do it mechanically or to show off with extra aggression. But just our own joy, so just try.
Cannot be exceptions.
Yeah, exactly. So that is an exception now, but it should become the rule, really. So I follow TVG sir's path a lot in as far as this is concerned. When our co-artists play nicely, then also we should enjoy. Now our keyboard Vidwan, it is unbelievable. It's like he has rehearsed with all of you. When whatever Shruti, whatever song you are singing, like a shadow is coming, just like that. I'm wondering from where this is coming, whether you have a keyboard in your house. It is so amazing to hear your role also. So I'm so happy I came, and as everyone said already, hearty congratulations not only to the first prize winner, for all of you, and to Devi ji and Aima for coming up with such a wonderful initiative. And I hope many more will happen like this. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Varmaji. Guruji, we'd like to hear from you.
Hi everybody, my blessings. I'm sure there's nobody else who is older to me now here. so I am entitled to bless all of you. For me is, what can I say? It's a very special feeling, very exhilarating feeling that such a beautiful Navaratri has happened, taken place, and a lot of process of preparation went through before and all that. All that's by the past. Today, I am very, very happy to have great eminent people with me, along with me. Lata Raju, she has done so much work for the artists and for the cause of music and literature when she was working in the All Day Radio. She did so many things. She worked for the commercial side of our radio, made so much money for the government through her work, and then so many productions, so many musical productions. As a beautiful singer, she has sung in the radio, she has sung in movies, and a composer and all that. Lata I am very happy that you could be part of this, and we are family. Many years we have known each other also. And then Bharati, I would first speak about Prince Ramavarma, whom I call Raghu. See, we have been associated with the palace of Travancore, the palace of Cochin, for centuries, through the contribution to the public, to the arts, to the country as well. And he is one icon now in this century who represents the royalty, not only the royalty, the royal people who were created by the royalty, the musicians. I consider musicians as royalty as well, because we are the vehicles, we are the weapons and vehicles to invade the minds of all people, to make them think better, feel better, live better by just by using their voice in music, not also in speech. Because I always believed, and I always believe, and always will believe that if we can speak, we can sing. The motto of AIMA is that if you can speak, you can sing. We have many people, scientists and all that. So I was one great scientist who was tone deaf, but now he is singing Sankaravaranam, Adadalavaranam, Rendagalam. See, so it's some amazing work that AIMA is doing, and Devi is at the heart of it. She is, what can I say, this One Friday for me, does many things. Whatever I think she already does. So like that is going. AIMA owes a lot to the present situation to Devi and her team, young team. She is very fortunate that she has a very young, very enthusiastic, very selfless team where they don't look at the money side at all. They're not turning away from the bank, so to speak, and working and also from the clock. They work long hours to make things happen and all that. And my teachers, AIMA teachers, are very special lot. They care for their students and what else. So I have to speak about Prince Ramorma. Is a phenomenon. Is the descendant of Maharaja Swati Tirunal, who ruled the state so beautifully. None before him and none after could rule like that. A musician, a poet, a writer, a literary man, a philosopher, a great bhakta, all put together, and a great musician, performer as well. And after that he is a fourth generation, fifth generation. So he took to music, though it's not done, not in the princes are not, only the women, ladies will take up the music or veena, vocal or mida. But he took music and he lives in music. He loves music, he lives in music. And he has created, what can I say, a generation of 2-3 generations of coming, future generations of music around the world. It's no joke. He has classes, he conducts classes all over Europe, all over India, not only in Kerala or Tamil Nadu, in Andhra, he is very well known. Everywhere, he is very well known for learning music without a bias of language, without a bias of system, this system, that system, no, without. So I am really very proud that you could be here and you could be participating with this. And I am also proud that you have come and visited AIMA, and I want you to be a part of AIMA for all their activities and create activities for AIMA, and my blessings. I am a fan of his music, his personality, the play he plays, veena, the way he listens to music. Also, it's very special that you have the way you listen to music, because Saravana Matrena Moksham. So the greatness of our music is that we just have to listen to attain happiness. So this moksha and salvation is contemporary. It is now. It's not after. It's now. When you listen to music, and that the time when you listen, you totally forget that who you are, what you are, where you are. All this. That is salvation. That's Nirvardi. The last of the Ashtasiddhis, that's that. Samadhi level. Samadhi is living consciously, subconsciously, consciously being in the divinity. So that is the goal of all musicians, all listeners and all that. And I am very happy that you could come here and be a part of it. That kind of information, that what knowledge is giving to people. And coming to Rajkumar Bharati, comes from one of the greatest traditions of art from Mahakavi Bharatiyar and his great grandson. And he has understood what the truth of music is. Has been my disciple for many years. I would say that I try to influence his thoughts, try to chisel his thoughts in music. But he is an enormously talented, gifted individual. Enormous amount. It's boundless. His knowledge in composing, knowledge in recording, knowledge in performing, and knowledge in teaching, knowledge in communicating, and has done so many productions. The sheer is what we call indefatigable, never tired, very disciplined, and give him anything, he'll give you the, in return, he'll give the best product possible. It's not many people in music who live in music can boast of that, and Bharati is one like that. And you are very lucky, I might say, that these great people who have come here and listened to your music and blessed you with their presence. And me personally, I don't like to judge. So my people who are here, no, they think like me. So they have not come here to judge. Because what is happening in all the reality shows and all that is they judge. They judge talent and then give money, huge amounts of money, house, etc. Music is not built like that. Music knowledge is not built like that. Everybody, all of you who have sung, you have something given by God to you, gifted by you, and what you have done with yourself, with that, is the result. What you have done with your knowledge, what you have done with your talent, and it is always slightly affected by from whom you learn, and more affected by the way you live, and very much affected by the way you approach. Yes. This, you want to become a professional, then the way it is. So here we teach, whoever comes want to learn music, we'll teach them. And then people want to come to learn to teach, we teach them differently. People want to come to perform, different. Everything is different. To perform means hard work, real hard work. So that is, from his 9th year, he was getting all competitions, even he got the first prize. Then I told him, why do you want to go and get prizes? Why don't you perform? So it's like that. It is different, each person's. But ultimately, I can conclude by saying that music, in whatever form you love, in whatever form you devote yourself, is the ultimate resource that God has given us to be pampered with. Thank you. Ama, see, I'm sorry. Vicky Vigneswar Gopalakrishna he has got my name added to him. He came to me to learn keyboard when he was 4. He's still learning from me. He's an amazing instrumentalist. He produces any sound on the keyboards, all the gamagas, all the possible gamagas and some more in the keyboard. And I am very proud that I could make him do it because he has the entire all that. And God gave him to me to make him so much. So, such a gift to musicians, the world of music. And he does a lot of work. He passed his MBA and is working, but still, he is one keyboard musician who represents our music, Carnatic music, entire world, as it could be done on a keyboard, on the keys. The key. God bless you.
Thank you so much. It was so wonderful to hear from each one of you. And just being here on this occasion of Navratri Grand Finale, just spending so much time, with this eminent people, our judges, our Guruji, Viveka. I mean, it's like so much to learn. And now it's the time when you will all know who has finally made it to the top. Yes, Guruji.
I am very happy and proud to announce Group 1 first. The winner, Siddharth Pulleri. Congratulations, Aima Navratri winner, Siddharth Pulleri. And the runner-up is Samyukta. Congratulations, congratulations. And Group 2, the winner is Vishalakshi. Runner-up, Ranjini Rao. Congratulations to all of you who have won, and also all of you who have sung, and all of you who have listened, and the parents, friends, families, and all that who have been with the candidates, worked for their success, worked for their programming and all that, and all my Aima people who have made this really successful. I'm very, very happy and grateful to them.
Guruji. Guruji, now that you have announced the winners for Group 1 and Group 2, I know you also wanted to have announced a special prize today. So probably it is time to announce, whoever has got a special prize, especially from our Guruji. He wanted to give this away as an appreciation to the enthusiasm and passion that you have shown towards music. Yes, Guruji.
I always wanted, whichever competition I went, I always wanted 1 or 2 extra prizes. For the reasons may be many why the pressure, but there should be extra prizes. So I'm very happy that there are special prizes, 2 names, Borle Anjani Devi and Ramani Sundareshan. Congratulations, congratulations. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Guruji. So with that, sadly, we have come to an end of Navratri 2020. I would also want to hear from Devi Akka, if you're nearby. Would you like to speak something before I officially take over the thank you note?